In the United States, racial inequality and economic inequity have always gone hand in hand. For generations of African Americans and other minority groups, the banking system was an immovable obstacle on the path to equality and inclusion. From redlining to predatory paydown loans, bankers and lenders long used the levers of financial powers to dictate where or if people of color could buy homes, open businesses, or even save money in a bank account. But the world realized that black dollars matter, and channeling black dollars in the right direction is the first step towards economic empowerment. Financial stability and reinvestment in the black community are essential. Investing in the community and letting money circulate is a way to strengthen neighborhoods. It also serves as the catalyst for making a difference that leans towards stability within our neighborhoods. For these reasons, buy black and bank black. Black-owned banks and credit unions all over the United States are making things possible for people who are ignored by the major financial institutions in our country. Credit unions have existed for decades in the United States and have impacted black lives in unimaginable ways. This video countdowns the top 10 black-owned credit unions in the United States. Take a look. For this video, we use the term black-owned in this broad sense, recognizing that stockholders own for-profit banks and members own credit unions. Did you know that the typical white family has 8 times the wealth of the typical black family? That's right, and the gap exists in part because of past U.S. policies and banking industry practices, which historically excluded black Americans from access to credit and banking services. Ever since the founding of the Bank of North America in 1781, banking has played a critical role in facilitating the American dream. These institutions provide indispensable monetary services, ranging from accepting deposits to offering loans. However, like all of the nation's older institutions, banks have also played a significant part in America's racist past. Racial discrimination in the banking industry and financial system has targeted African Americans, and challenges to ending discrimination persist today. Black-owned banks and credit unions arose as an alternative to larger institutions to provide greater access to banking services and an opportunity to support local communities. So, what is a black-owned credit union? A black-owned credit union is a not-for-profit banking institution which most of its current members, its board of directors, and the community it serves are African American. Membership can be limited to a specific city or group, such as members of a predominantly black church or employees at a historically black college or university. And what's the difference between a bank and a credit union? Banks and credit unions are relatively similar. They're places that allow you to sock away cash and borrow money. However, a few key differences may help you decide between them. Firstly, credit unions are not-for-profit organizations owned by their members. As a result, they can often offer lower interest rates on loans and higher interest rates on savings products. Contrarily, banks are often for-profit financial institutions owned by shareholders. Secondly, credit unions often have specific eligibility requirements, such as living in a particular location or belonging to a specific group. Credit unions tend to have fewer physical branch locations, so you may want to consider a bank if in-person transactions are important to you. Still, both financial institutions insure your accounts for up to $250,000, so you're protected if your bank or credit union closes. They frequently offer similar services like checking accounts, savings accounts, and individual retirement accounts. And that said, let's begin the countdown. Number 10. Faith Community United Credit Union. Assets, $21.14 million. Initially chartered in 1952 as Second Mount Sinai Baptist Church Credit Union, Faith Community United Credit Union became a Community Development Credit Union, CDCU, in 1991. Faith is one of the largest minority-owned credit unions in Ohio. It's available to anyone who lives, works, worships, or attends school in Cuyahoga County and their family, business, and organization. Membership is also possible through a select employee group, SEG. The credit union has about $21.14 million worth of assets under its management and offers deposits, loans, insurance, and other services. Their services are available in a brick and mortar and online. Number 9. First Legacy Community Credit Union. Assets, $29.33 million. A group of educators founded the School Workers Federal Credit Union on February 14, 1941. On January 1, 2020, First Legacy Community Credit Union merged with Self-Help Federal Credit Union and now operates as a division of Self-Help. The institution is based in several states, including Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. It has about $29.33 million worth of assets under management and offers personal and business accounts, loan services, and real estate. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 8. FAMU Federal Credit Union. Assets, $30 million. On May 8, 1935, 6 individuals were convinced to deposit $50 to acquire a federal credit union charter, resulting in the founding of Florida A&M College Employees Federal Credit Union. By 1953, the organization was renamed Florida A&M University Federal Credit Union due to its location on the FAMU campus. This credit union strives to provide financial services to its members at competitive rates. Located in Florida, it has about $30 million worth of assets under management. Its services includes accounts, Rattler debit, Visa credit cards, loans, wire transfers, and more. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 7. Southern Teachers and Parents Federal Credit Union. Assets $32.47 million. With more than 80 years of service, Southern Teachers and Parents Federal Credit Union provides personalized financial service to its members. Those eligible for membership include alumni, employees, parents, and students of Southern University, employees in Louisiana's Assumption, East Baton Rouge, Lafourche, West Feliciano parishes, employees in Thibodaux, and Lafourche Parish Juvenile Justice Facility, and their family members. The credit union has about $32.47 million worth of assets under management and offers accounts, checking, savings, and youth loans and other services, including Visa debit and credit cards and financial counseling. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 6. Lower East Side People's Federal Credit Union. Assets $35 million. Lower East Side LES People's Federal Credit Union was initially organized in 1986 to promote economic justice and opportunity in New York City neighborhoods. Individuals interested in joining LES People's FCU will need to open a share savings account and must be one of the following: individuals who live, work, volunteer, worship, attend school, or belong to any organization located in the Lower East Side, Central Harlem, East Harlem, or the North Shore of Staten Island. Any organization or business located in these communities, residents of New York City who have an annual income of less than $48,500, anyone who lives in a Housing Development Fund Corp. HDFC co-op building, graduates of the Getting Ahead Personal Financial Management class, anyone affiliated with one of its select partner groups, or a family member of an existing member. The credit union has about $35 million worth of assets under management and offers personal, checking, money, market, etc., and business, savings, and checking accounts, as well as loans, personal and auto. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 5. First Choice Credit Union. Assets $36.85 million. Founded in 1946, the Hospital Authority Credit Union was created to provide financial services to employees of Grady Hospital. In 1991, the organization became known as First Choice Credit Union. It has about $36.85 million worth of assets under management and offers personal and business checking, savings, and loans. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 4. Credit Union of Atlanta. Assets $87.20 million. Founded in 1928, the Credit Union of Atlanta remained stable and secure throughout the Great Depression. The Credit Union of Atlanta focuses on its members, not profits or personal gains. Its mission is to provide financial solutions to meet the needs and improve the quality of life for our members. Any profits earned are used to secure better rates for the institution's members. It has about $87.20 million worth of assets under management. It offers personal savings and checking, business checking, notary services, retirement and investment services, credit builder and personal loans, and payment protection. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 3. Liberty Savings Federal Credit Union. Assets $115 million. Hudson County School Employees Federal Credit Union was founded in 1951 by William and Catherine Miller. The name was changed to Educational Federal Credit Union in 1977 before becoming Liberty Savings Federal Credit Union 9 years later. Membership is open to anyone who lives, works, worships, attends school in Hudson County, New Jersey, or falls within a lengthy list of employee education and organizational eligibility. The credit union has about $115 million worth of assets under management and offers deposit accounts, checking, IRA, loans, auto and mortgages, insurance services, and investment counseling. Their services are available in brick and mortar and online. Number 2. St. Louis Community Credit Union. Assets $395.57 million. Initially chartered in 1942 as Teachers Credit Union, St. Louis Community Credit Union offers financial services and several programs to support consumers in the local community. Individuals who live or work in St. Louis City, Franklin, and St. Louis County in Missouri, as well as in St. Clair, Madison, Monroe, and Jersey counties in Illinois, are eligible for membership, in addition to their families. It has about $395.57 million worth of assets under management and offers loans, auto and personal, accounts, savings and checking, business development, advocacy and insurance, life, accidental death, and dismemberment, AD&D. Their services are available brick and mortar and online. Number 1. Hope Credit Union, $424.38 million. In 1995, Anderson United Methodist Church members organized Hope Federal Credit Union to help low-income Jackson, Mississippi residents with asset development, cooperation, and self-empowerment. Hope has since spread across the Deep South through its sponsors and merging with other financial organizations, the most recent with Tri Rivers Federal Credit Union in 2007. In June 2020, Netflix invested $10 million into Hope as part of its $100 million initiative to support economic opportunities for Black communities. It has about $424.38 million worth of assets under management. It offers a personal checking and wealth-building accounts, personal loans, credit cards, and business checking and loans banking and transformational deposits. Their services are available brick and mortar and online. And that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our awesome content. And please give us a like and share the video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. We value your feedback. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section down below. See you in the next video. Bye.